Regex to catch code that uses private members in Python, unless it's a function def. I'm trying to write a regex to catch any use of private members in Python, with the exception of function names. For example, the following should return true. But the following should return false. Because it has the definite before it. I wrote this expression. And it works for most cases, but for some reason it always returns false if there's a space before the private, e.g. this will not return true. What am I doing wrong here? The def\s should not match if have def before it, and I handle spaces before the two underscores, e.g. inside, @azaz_s. So why isn't it working? Edit. While the accepted answer is correct for regex, I recommend looking at Porritt Cunningham's answer for a better solution using ast. Thanks.
You could try. Example. Source.
Using ast.node visitor, it is very easy to get the attributes and a lot more reliable than a regex. Test.py. Output. All you need to so is check if node.atta starts with __, etc. You can visit any nodes you like, function def, class def like shown here. There is a comprehensive list of all the nodes in the Green Tree Snakes docs and their attributes.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.